The S-400 Triumph, formerly known as the S-300 PMU-3, is an anti-aircraft weapons system developed in the 1990s in Russia by the Almaz Central Design Bureau as a modernization of the S-300 family. Having been in service with the armed forces of the Russian Federation since 2007, the S-400 uses 4 missiles to fill its flight: very long-range 40N6, 400 kilometers, long-range 48N6, 250 kilometers, medium-range 9M96E2, 120 kilometers, and 9M96E short distance, 40 kilometers. The S-400 was described by The Economist in 2017 as one of the best air defense systems built to date. One system containing up to 8 divisions can control up to 72 launchers with a maximum of 384 missiles, including missiles with a range of less than 250 kilometers, 160 miles. The missile is launched using a gas system from the launch tube up to 30 meters into the air before the rocket engine fires, which increases the maximum and reduces the minimum range. In April 2015, a rocket test bomb was successfully carried out on an air target at a distance of 400 kilometers, 250 miles. TELs carrying the long-range 40N6 may only be able to accommodate 2 missiles instead of the usual 4 due to their larger size. Another test noted the 9M96 missile used an active tracking radar, reaching an altitude of 56 kilometers. All missiles are equipped with a warhead intended for explosion, which increases the probability of complete destruction of the target.